No. I can't go down there. Is everything flooded?
I don't know why, but sometimes it kicks me in my eye.
Me too.
I got a splinter in the back of my foot. See?
Is that a splinter?
Yeah, splinters. Like, if you haven't worn shoes in a long time, right? Shoes do that.
Oh, I had that too.
Yeah, this one cured because I stopped touching it. This one,
You keep touching it. Oh, and stop touching it.
trying to make it hold out.
No.
It's a splinter.
Guys,
Shoes.
I'm going downstairs to go to the... Is there water down there? Guys, the whole... Dude. How am I surviving? Guys, how am I surviving? Look. Everything with the whole upstairs flooding. We're
Is
going...
it flooding the ceiling?
No, it's flooding the downstairs too, again. Guys, be careful.
Let's go inside the water for me. Hold your breath.
Wait, why did it shrink? It's okay. Let's go. Wow. Yes, guys. Wait, the whole downstairs flooded and the stairs is flooded. Wow, but there's a lot of toy stuff here. And guys, it rise. Oh, and it rise. Again. Owen. Now the whole upstairs flooded. It's right here. It's flooded. Hold the phone. What is happening, guys? Guys, let's go downstairs. We need to be careful.
Let's wipe off that camera.
Down there. Why did it go down now? It went down. Wait, let's go in the water. What's that? There's water. Give me. Oh my God, guys. Not everything's flooded. Guys, everything's flooded. Look. We need to go downstairs. Ah! Oh, we're good.
Wait. This is the last little breath.
It's okay, guys. Just sit. Oh, don't hold your breath. You have to have one, remember? I'll be careful. There's water. What are you doing?
I need to.
Guys, this is a flash one. And it just really broken through the... There was a flash one in Florida. Yeah, we're in Pennsylvania. But there was this big flash one that broke into our entire house. That is water everywhere. There is a flash one in the book for a second.
Bring them at 3?
4.
Okay, I'll be there at 3, but 4 kids.
Who
All right, thank you.
are you talking to?
You said 3.
That's mine. Alright, so we have like 2 hours, right?
An hour and a half.
Hey.
Owen! guys. He's playing Roblox. Oh, why don't you care when there's a flash one?
Come on, guys, we go downstairs.
But there's water down there. We can't go downstairs. Right?
But Mommy, I thought we're playing.
Good.
No. Wait, that Alexa, we can't go down. There's just water everywhere. Alexis, we can go anywhere. There's like a flash one. It's sunny time now. Alexis, we can't go down there.
Owen wants me
Guys, we're gonna have to go downstairs.
Come on, you ready to go downstairs?
Okay, guys, downstairs. Wait, did the water just go down? I'll go check. The water still didn't, but oh man, now it's going beam, 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 beam. When I just came upstairs, now it's flooding.
So I can walk all back in and then let me just walk back into it. Because you had the text messages. You text me it. Mommy. Up, 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 up.
I'm gonna put my phone in the water.
Why are you talking?
Me?
What?
You're talking like a straight up baby.
Owen!
I'm not
Look,
even being rude, but he never talks like that.
Owen! Do you not even care? Look! He's,
Be nice.
No, he never talks like that.
Alexis, there's a water. Alexis, we can't go downstairs. There's a water. There's like a flash flood. There's like a flash flood happening. Like an actual flash flood. Why are they down there? D! Get up here. There's a flash flood. Dude, our house is flooded. Like the upstairs. You see? Every time when I go up, it goes up. Well, when I go down, it goes down. Like, guys, you see? Every time I'm gonna go down. Here! I can't reach. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay. Good. Now we're cooked.
Let me see your avatar.
Can I do your avatar?
The green bean thing. Oh, it's Mama. Sorry.
Yeah, Mama.
Why is her avatar like that?
Mine?
Yeah.
Because it's the green bean thing.
Yes, the green bean. Because Sammy said if you not Sammy, Jandal said if you dress like that, you're gonna get a special award.
Yeah, so yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to.
I'm dressing for Team Sammy.
Definitely.
They started a war
Go in
already.
and I'll give you something real quick, and then I'm going downstairs.
Switch.
Oh, and go in your private server.
W. Mommy, join me. Wait.
Alexis, we can't go downstairs. Look, there's a flash flood.
Join me now.
The water's coming.
I don't see your name though.
That's not Jax. That doesn't look like water at all.
It is.
Wait, but that's not your name.
It is.
This is pool water.
It's a different.
Our pool, like, across the street. Made the whole world flood. You like, it just goes. I need to go down. Ah. Be careful, guys. Be safe.